Hello and welcome. You're watching Rev Sports. I am Vaibhav Tripathi and with me is Debashish Sen, and we are here with the preview of the qualifier 2 that will be played between the Gol Gallants and the Colombo Caps at the R Premadasa Stadium. It's the penultimate game of LPL 2026. Whichever team wins, they will advance to the final to play the defending champions Anchor
Anchor
Jaffna
Jaffna
Kings.
King.
So we are not
Yes.
wrong. We are so used to saying calling Jaffna Kings by SC Jaffna Kings, but now it's rebranded to Anchor Jaffna Kings. Whichever team wins, they will take on Anchor Jaffna Kings at the same venue at the Air R Premadasa, which is already sold out for the final game. But in this video, we will discuss about the today's game, and it's going to be a pelter. If you know don't know if you have followed the tournament, you know that these two teams have been the most competitive teams, have been the most balanced team in the tournament, and that is why they are here. And it's very difficult to predict Devashish who is going to win again. Again, if you go by form, then obviously you will say Gol Gallants.
Yes.
But Colombo Caps, the bowling that they have, the last match, the way they played, they can unsettle, they can upset Gol.
Yeah, obviously in a game of T20 cricket anything can be possible, and more so when it's a qualifier too. So I think both the teams will fancy chances, but on paper I think Gol Gallants has looked really good. And when you talk about that first qualifier chasing 242, they ended up posting 228,
Yes.
and they lost by only 14 runs. So I think obviously they will again pin their hope on Sam Harper, who has been excellent right throughout the tournament, along with Charit Asalanka. There have been other batters as well for Gol Gallants. So I think yes, but for Colombo Caps also, Kamindo Mendes striking form at the right time. Along with Ben McDermott, who played that blinder in that game against Candy Royals in the last game in that eliminator 71. So I think it will be pretty even contest, Vaibhav.
Yeah, and now let's first talk about the Gol Gallants, because obviously they have been the most informed team after Anchor Jaffna Kings. The problem with the Gol is their opening. With Sam Harper, Charit Aslanka, Sahana Rachige, Chamika Karunaratne, and then Dasun Shanaka. These batters have been in form, but what has been going wrong for them is the opening partner of Sam Harper. Tom Rogers, signed as a replacement, is unable to make any sort of impact at the top. Do you think it is time for Gol to make the change? Bring in somebody like a Nurul Hassan, who is a good striker from Bangladesh, who has played a lot of T20 cricket. When Tom Rogers is not clicking, let's make a change and see what happens.
But will they risk someone like Tom Rogers by not playing him at a very important match? Because the reason he has been picked by Gol Gallants is that on his day he can take on the bowling. So I think that might just be the reason that he was picked in that eliminator match. But again, I would say that it will be Colombo Caps bowling which can pose a serious challenge to Gol Gallants batting.
Definitely, if you look at Colombo Caps bowling, they have a Milan Ratnaike, then Shah Nawaz Wanuja Sahan, again
What
the
an
left.
incredible spell!
The,
Eight runs, 2 wicket.
Yes, just 8 runs in his 4 overs, taking 2 wickets. And he's not just a left arm spinner, he's a proper bowling all rounder. And he can also bowl some left arm wrist spin as well. So he's a different customer. If you are a batter, he's very difficult to face. So, yes, as Debashish has said, that it will be Gol Gallants batting versus Colombo Caps bowling, and it will be a very interesting. Also, Jimmy Neesham's role will become very important, because in the last game we saw in the eliminator, Jimmy Neesham, the seasoned T20 campaigner, bringing his A form, playing that 42 odd run knock, and that was very important in taking Colombo Caps past the 200 mark. I think these players, Janit Liyanage, Sadira Sivavikrama, the ones who have played international cricket, will be very crucial for Colombo Caps. And if you talk about Gol Gallants, I think they just have that opening conundrum. Apart from that, obviously their bowling was a letdown in the last game. What do you expect from their bowling in this game?
Yeah, obviously, they will once again look forward to Ehsan Malinga,
Yes.
who has been phenomenal for Gol Gallants right throughout this LPL. And they have the bowlers, Vaibhav, if you ask me, but I think it is their batting that has to click. Obviously, we have seen in that game against Anchor Jaffna in that first qualifier, because despite chasing a huge total, they could manage to go close to that. So I think once again they will pinning their hopes to post a big total. Obviously, and as far as chasing as well, I think the toss won't be a factor in this kind of crucial matches.
Definitely, it's a high scoring venue. Toss won't be a factor. We haven't seen Dew here at the R. Premadasa Stadium, so that is again not going to be a factor. But last prediction, Devashish, before we close.
I think Gol Gallants.
Gol Gallants?
I think Gol Gallants and Anchor Jaffna Kings.
He has already said his finalists, Anchor Jaffna Kings, are already there. He's seeing the repeat of the qualifier one, and I also believe that it will be Gol Gallants who will make it through. But the last time I predicted Gol Gallants, they lost, so not sure. Do you also let us know your predictions about the qualifier 2 of the LPL 2026, and we'll be there with the match report in the next video. Thank you for watching this one.
For India's best multi-sports coverage, your platform is one, and that's Rev Sports. So like, share, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. I think by now you know that we will be everywhere in different parts of the world and bring you on-ground reportage. As I said, your best multi-sports coverage on Rev Sports, your favorite destination.